Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make farmer tools with cardboard. We'll start by gathering our essential supplies. You'll need some sturdy cardboard, like from moving boxes, along with a good pair of scissors and a strong adhesive, perhaps hot glue or wood glue. Don't forget a ruler and a pencil for marking, and maybe a craft knife for those trickier cuts. Having everything ready makes the building process much smoother and more enjoyable for everyone involved. Now let's get into crafting some basic tools. First, sketch out the shapes for your tool heads, like a hoe blade or a rake's tines, directly onto your cardboard. Remember, we're aiming for durability, so cut out at least 3 or 4 identical layers for each component. Carefully glue these layers together, one on top of the other, ensuring they align perfectly. This layering technique is key to making your cardboard tools surprisingly robust and ready for imaginative play. Next, we'll focus on creating strong handles and reinforcing our tools. For handles, cut long, narrow strips of cardboard, about 2 inches wide and 12 to 18 inches long. To make them sturdy, roll or fold several layers of these strips very tightly, securing them with glue as you go. Once your handles are firm, attach them to your tool heads. Use plenty of glue at the joint and consider adding small cardboard braces for extra stability, ensuring they can withstand enthusiastic use. Finally, it's time for the fun part, decorating your new farmer tools. You can use paints, markers, or even colored paper to add details and make them look realistic or wonderfully whimsical. Just be sure to let all the glue and paint dry thoroughly, which might take a few hours before anyone starts playing. These handmade tools are perfect for imaginative gardening adventures, whether you're planting pretend seeds in the living room or tending to a make-believe patch in the backyard. Enjoy your creative harvest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.